Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Chanel flat bag from Star Tree. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into it. So Star Tree is an online website that specializes in high quality replicas so that it mirrors the designer items in the stores and the quality of the items. So over on their website, they have so much stuff, y'all. Like, when I tell you I was on there looking around and I was just having such a hard time deciding because the stuff was just so good, the selection. So I'm going to tell you guys like a few of the items they have. They have Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, Dior, Prada, YSL. They have a whole list of other bags such as Valentino, Versace, Fendi, Givenchy, Loewe, Celine, Dolce & Gabbana, and the list goes on and on. They also have shoes and accessories, and they even have a men's section. So I will of course have a discount code for you guys as usual so you guys can save some money off of your purchase. But without further ado, let's unbox this beauty. So we got another Chanel-y. Okay, so with this, y'all, I've been wanting some more color, so I wanted a yellow bag. Specifically, this would be more like a spring type of bag, but it is so cute, and this one is in their lambskin leather. You guys know I usually do more of like the caviar leather. So it does come with a dust bag, and it does have like inside of here these little papers and stuff like that, just to have it look all nice and cute. And then it even comes with like booklet, like a little receipt, their business card. So just so you guys know what comes with it. And they even have the cute little Chanel flower that comes with it. Okay, well, let's get into this bag. It's so adorable. So on actual Chanel, this is called the Chanel flat bag. I believe it's the pearl, the mini pearl. I'm gonna just double check. The lambskin quilted mini pearl crush flap yellow. This bag is so cute, so adorable. I'm actually gonna turn down the brightness on my camera real quick just so you guys can see it a little bit better. So there we go. So cute. I love the gold hardware on here, and then here are the pearls. You have one pearl and it has the CC on it, and then you do have the other pearl with the CC. And at the top it has like these double straps, which I think is so cute, and then it just turns into one. So you can only wear this crossbody, but it's so cute. I really love how the gold hardware kind of has like a vintage vibe to it. Really cute. I actually really like the lambskin leather and how soft it feels. It feels amazing, and it looks really good on this bag. So up close you do see the Chanel on here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn and open her, and this is our inside. So you do have one little pocket flap there, and then here you can see the CC on this part. And then yeah, it's not a super lot of space because once again this is the mini, but it's so adorable. You can see the CC on the little clasps here. So cute, guys. The quality on this bag is really amazing too. I really like how it feels. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I can see myself wearing this a lot, especially in the spring. I love this pastel type of yellow. It's just gorgeous. And you of course just turn the lock to lock it. This is the back, top, and the sides, and the bottom. So yeah, that's the construction of the bag. Get a good look at the top. Bag is super cute. What really sold me was the details on the chain. I thought the pearls was just so adorable, so girly and cute. So yeah guys, I cannot wait to wear this. Yeah, I hope you guys all like this bag. Comment down below what you guys think of it. And once again, this bag is from Star Tree. I will have all of their information linked in the description box below, plus your discount code. And yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.